program. This is next level part of the language part. So one person told that like this basically everything is getting calculated. Like this basically things are getting calculated. So whatever human needs basically which is getting generated in this world basically the malls basically which are producing the human needs, the stores basically which are generating the human needs, that everything bases this. Let's basically connect with the real example. Assume that basically land data basically are getting produced. Land data basically are getting produced. For example, some data basically are getting produced. For example, some vegetables basically are getting produced from the land basically. The vegetables data basically are getting produced from the land. And few vegetables data basically are getting produced from the chemicals. So these all data basically are also connected with this human souls basically 20 crore which is going to come. Because if it's like this, that means basically the but how the basically the connections basically are done basically. How the connections basically are done. How basically the connections basically are done. So one person told the how the connection basically might be done basically. Because this has to be connected basically. That means connect means this groups also basically giving the data to this 20 crore child basically which is going to come. So one person told the yes, yeah. Because whatever process basically happens in this world, that data is basically getting passed to this 20 crore child basically which is going to come, and that is processing in superpower computers, and superpower computers equal to set of servers, and that server basically everybody knows. IBM is there, Compaq is there. So these all groups basically are contributing basically to 20 crore child basically which is going to come. So one person told next